Welcome. If you're looking to organize your Pinterest boards and keep your ideas in one place, merging boards is the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for merging boards on Pinterest, making it easy to declutter and streamline your profile. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards and pins are neatly displayed. Next, tap on the Boards tab. This section shows all the boards you've created, making it simple to find the ones you want to manage. Scroll through your list and decide which board you'd like to merge into another. Once you've chosen the board, tap on it to open. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on these to open the Options menu. This menu gives you several ways to manage your board, but for now, we're focusing on merging. Select the option labeled Merge Boards. Pinterest will then prompt you to choose another board to merge with. Browse through your list and pick the board you want to combine your pins with. Once you've made your choice, confirm the merge. Pinterest will now move all the pins from your selected board into the board you chose to merge with. After the process is complete, the original board will be deleted, but don't worry, your pins are safe and now all together in one place. That's it. You've successfully merged your Pinterest boards. This feature is a great way to tidy up your profile, combine similar ideas, and keep your inspiration organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.